Is your EETV box stuck on the UView loading screen? This frustrating issue affects thousands of users and prevents access to live TV and on-demand services. The problem is particularly common with older models like the T2100 and T4000 series boxes, but even newer boxes can experience this issue after software updates. Understanding the root causes helps us tackle this problem effectively. There are 5 primary reasons why your EETV box might get stuck on the loading screen. First, software corruption from incomplete or failed firmware updates. When an update doesn't complete properly, it can leave your box in an unstable state. Second, failing hard drives. The internal storage is crucial for the boot sequence and recording functions. When it starts to fail, the box cannot load properly. Third, poor network connectivity. Your box needs a stable broadband connection to communicate with EE servers and load services properly. Fourth, memory problems. Insufficient RAM or corrupted temporary files can prevent the system from booting correctly. Finally, general hardware degradation. As boxes age, components like power supply units can fail, leading to boot problems. This is especially common in boxes over 3 years old. EETV boxes run on a Linux-based UView platform, which has specific technical requirements to function properly. The system requires 4 key components to work correctly: a stable broadband connection of at least 2 megabits per second, a proper HDMI handshake with your TV, functional internal storage for buffering and recordings, and regular communication with EE and UView servers. Prevention is always better than cure. You can reduce the likelihood of boot issues by following some simple maintenance practices. Keep your box well ventilated to prevent overheating, use a surge protector to avoid power-related corruption, and maintain a stable network connection. Regular monthly reboots can also help prevent memory buildup issues. Understanding these causes and requirements gives you the foundation to tackle EETV box boot issues effectively. In the next section, we'll explore the specific troubleshooting methods that can get your box working again. The most effective fix is a soft reset with an 85% success rate. This simple process can resolve most loading screen issues. First, unplug the power cable from your EETV box and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows all capacitors to discharge completely. Next, hold down the standby button on your remote while reconnecting the power cable. Keep holding the button until the box begins to boot. Finally, wait for the complete boot cycle. This can take up to 10 minutes, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset via recovery mode. This method has a 75% success rate and will restore your box to original settings. Power off your box completely, then hold the backup or record button while powering it back on. This will boot the box into recovery mode. Use your remote to navigate the recovery menu and select the factory reset option. This will erase all settings and recordings, so make sure you're prepared for that. Network issues can also cause loading problems. A network reset protocol has a 70% success rate and addresses connectivity-related boot failures. Start by disconnecting your Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection. Then perform a soft reset as shown earlier and only reconnect your network after the box has fully booted. HDMI connection issues can prevent proper booting. This troubleshooting method has a 60% success rate and addresses display-related problems. Try different HDMI ports on your TV and use a different HDMI cable if available. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input before starting the box. For persistent issues, advanced troubleshooting may be needed. These methods have a 50% success rate but address deeper system problems. Check your broadband speed to ensure it meets the minimum 2 megabits per second requirement. Update your router firmware and verify your EE account status is active. Looking ahead, EE is transitioning to IP-based services, which should reduce hardware dependencies and improve reliability. New boxes planned for late 2025 will have better diagnostic capabilities.